Guys, is Bitcoin right now trading in this bigger falling wedge pattern, and can we see a breakout anytime soon, and can Bitcoin continue the uptrend where I think most of us right now are waiting for, or is Bitcoin going to see a further dump? Guys, that is going to be the topic of today's video. I'm going to present you a couple of scenarios which are possible right now in the Bitcoin price. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Let's dive right into it. And before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin price action, make sure with every single one of you to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, let's dive right into it. And so what we are seeing right now, it is possible, because we have a declining support, declining resistance right here, that we are seeing right now Bitcoin forming this potential falling wedge formation. And what are the options right now within that falling wedge formation? Well, one option, this is the most bullish option, is that we are seeing something like this. Bitcoin is traveling down right here, forming a double bottom formation. This is the first time that we are setting some higher lows, right? And that eventually we are going to see that breakout right here in the not so distant future. Another option would be that we are going to see something like this. Bitcoin is going to set another test with the support right here, which eventually will create a bullish divergence on 4-hour time frame, on daily time frames, on multiple time frames basically. And so we get a last dip into the support, and then we are taking off and we can break out. I do have to say, guys, right now it looks like that this is the slightly more probable situation. Then another situation is, of course, that we are going to lose the support right here, and that we are going to see a breakout to the downside, and that Bitcoin is going to see lower levels. And like I said in my previous videos as well, guys, I do think right now that the bulls have a higher probability to win than the bears, and that is due to multiple factors. But one of the most important factors that I'm talking about quite often in my videos is the funding rate. And what we can see in the markets is that the majority, especially over an extended period of time, most of the time is at the wrong side of the price direction. And what we can see right now is that over a longer period of time, actually during this whole period, the funding rates have been negative for such a long time that it is actually quite significant. And this metric tells me that there basically is a limited risk to the downside. Then guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame. I'm going to exactly show you what we can see in the shorter term time frame. But before we are jumping into the shorter term time frame, guys, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. It would be awesome if we could reach 400 likes on today's video. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading over on Bybit or over on the Femix platform, right now you can sign up on Bybit and you can get an additional bonus. This one just ended, but you still can get a bonus of $635 if you use my affiliate link down below to sign up. And on the Femix platform, you can get an additional bonus of $2,000 when you use my sign up link down below and when you meet the deposit requirements. And both exchanges are awesome exchanges to trade Bitcoin with leverage, but also on the spot market. Then guys, let's go to the shorter term time frame, and let's go to the 1 hour right here. And what we can see in the 1 hour time frame is that Bitcoin right now is just bouncing off from some support level. And we can even draw a triangle formation right here, slightly something like this, where we can also see that Bitcoin is bouncing off from this level. Another reason why this level is significant, guys, is if I were to draw the Fibonacci level right here from the bottom till the top, then we can see that we are right now bouncing from the 61.80% and right now hovering slightly below the 50% at 42,500. We have a declining resistance as well right here, coming down, which shows us that Bitcoin is basically within this bigger falling wedge formation. It is in a triangle formation. So what I would like to say right here is that I'm going to expect Bitcoin to continue to trade within this triangle formation. If we were to see a breakout to the upside in this triangle formation, I expect Bitcoin to test the resistance of the falling wedge formation. If we get a nice breakout of this triangle formation, there is a likelihood that we are going to break the resistance of the falling wedge formation. If we do, I definitely expect a rally in the Bitcoin price. However, the opposite is true as well. If we were to break the support right here, I expect Bitcoin going to test the support of the falling wedge pattern, which might come along with the second scenario that we were talking about, these bullish divergences on a daily time frame, on the 8-hour and 4-hour time frame, so on multiple time frames. And from there we could see the price moving sideways and eventually bouncing back up, breaking the resistance. And of course, the support level of last resort is the low right here, approximately 39,500. If we break that level, then most likely we will see a further drop in the Bitcoin price. Then guys, the support right now is at approximately 42,100 and the resistance right now is at approximately 44,000, and the resistance is declining and the support is increasing, of course. Then guys, we quickly can have a look at the 30-minute time frame, because we are seeing some interesting signals over there as well, especially with our new indicator. So let's do it. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Right here we can see that our indicator has fired a sell signal right here at the exact top, and after that Bitcoin was just coming down. Right now we are seeing the first buying signals again at support, and also at the 15-minute time frame it looks like that Bitcoin wants to make a bounce right here. So like I said, this is just a confirmation for me that Bitcoin is in this triangle formation right now, testing the support. Right, losing that support will mean a further drop, and testing the support of the bigger falling wedge formation, breaking the resistance, will result in testing the resistance of the falling wedge formation. And the target of that falling wedge formation, guys, would be the top of the wedge at approximately $52,000. But I think a break of this wedge is also directly a nice confirmation that Bitcoin wants to continue this uptrend. If we were to break above the highs right here eventually, then that is even a better confirmation. But so far this is just looking good if we were to see that breakout. And like I said, from the three scenarios, two scenarios are bullish, one is bearish. I still think the bullish scenario, either with a drop first and then go up, or directly have this break, I still think that is more likely than to see a continued move to the downside. And I got a lot of comments yesterday, yeah, but it's looking super bearish on the weekly time frame, a lot of bearish structures. Yes, that's true. A structure is not all too bullish, but you also have to remind yourself that every structure in a bull market correction is meant for the majority to think that we are in a doom scenario and that the price is going to correct further. Like I said, the majority of the people are often at the wrong side of the tracks. I see that the majority right now is shorting Bitcoin, and that makes me believe that Bitcoin is more likely tending or trending to go up right here. That will, of course, change if I see the funding rate going positive again. Then that would be a negative signal right here. But right now we are not seeing that. So those are the reasons, together with on-chain metrics, that I think that Bitcoin is more likely to trend up from here. But I do understand the risks that you guys mentioning, and that the structure right now on a weekly time frame also looks quite bearish, due to the fact that we just got rejected at the 61.80%, which normally means that this is a retracement. But there are multiple ways to look at it, in my opinion. And when I look at the market, when I look at the summary of the markets right now, I just have a higher conviction that we are going to trend up from here. But as soon as those signals are changing, I will also adapt my opinion. So I'm also open to different scenarios, of course, and that is one of them is breaking the support right here, the 50%, and seeing then a further drop. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, it would be very much appreciated if you would leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, all super appreciated. If you are trading Bitcoin and you don't have an account yet on Bybit or Femix or on the Prime XBT platform, you can consider using my affiliate link down below. you will get the extra bonus using my affiliate link, and you are supporting the channel and me also with that. So that is very, very much appreciated. Guys, I want to wish every single one of you a awesome day today, wherever you are. And yeah, I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.